Hi guys, Ricardo, the last one. As you can see, I'm almost there. I'm almost 100%. That's why I'm uploading a video only now. I think some of you guys have been questions about the transfer window, about the World Cup. Football is live. Football is all over the place. But from Chelsea's perspective, from Monday's week, we will be in training. All the Chelsea fans, Xabi Alonso will be there. Quenda has arrived. Barco, I think is his name. Barco, wingback, he's arriving. You know, young striker is also arriving. There's a lot of young guys that's arriving, but we still have Mudrik. Still have Mudrik. I think his case is almost done. It's a lot of stories about him. So far, Garnacho hasn't been sold. Goodison hasn't been sold. The Lab hasn't been sold, but yeah, there's a lot of clubs like Ipswich is interested in the Lab. Everton, story about Enzo Fernandez going to Madrid. Nah, he's not going anywhere, guys. So you don't have to worry about Enzo. He's staying. If he goes, that's from him. That's not from Chelsea. We don't want to sell him, and Madrid don't want him. So I think he's going to stay. And I think we still need another midfielder, but not necessarily because we still have Lavia, you know, we still have a lot of midfielders, Kopama, the United, nah, he's a real Chelsea fan. He's gonna stay in this preseason. You're gonna see Kopama back 100%. You're gonna see Levi Colville, what a big mistake of England, not choosing him, not choosing Kopama. I think that's a big mistake. Choosing Diego at Brentford as a striker for Brazil, on top of Pedro, João Pedro. Nah, I don't think that was a great decision, but still, I just want all my guys, Casado, Wesley Fofana, I want my guys fully fit, and Lex Moron, we will get him. At Crystal Palace, he will come to Chelsea, I believe in the transfer, because we actually need a solid centre back next to Levi Colville. Reece James will be 100% fit, you know. So, Xavi Alonso is coming back, guys. So, this is a very, very new Chelsea. All the guys, you can go buy your Chelsea t-shirt now. Because next season, guys, I'm telling you, we're going to have a great season. Without European football, guys, Chelsea will be back.